In this video, we will explore quick fixes for sound issues on Windows 11, helping you get your audio back on track in no time. Step 1. Check audio settings. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Open Sound Settings, and ensure the correct output device is selected. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Go to Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Step 3. Restart Windows Audio Service. Press Window plus R, type services.msc in small letter, find Windows Audio, right-click and select Restart. Step 4. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Select Playing Audio and follow the prompts to fix the issues.